Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by prepping the base. This matters more than you think. Clean the scalp gently, remove oils, and make sure the skin is dry. Once done, put on a wig cap that fits snugly and flatten any bumps. Tuck away loose edges so the wig sits flush. Next, measure and mark your natural hairline at center and corners. This guides placement. You want symmetry, so adjust until the cap feels even left to right and front to back before moving on. Place the wig by aligning it to your marks. Position the front edge first, then smooth toward the back. Use adhesive chosen earlier, tape, glue, or built-in straps and press in short sections. Make sure to test a small patch first for comfort. Once attached, style to blend. Remove a few hairs along the hairline, add powder to reduce shine, and craft baby hair for a natural transition. Make sure to check mirror angles and move your head to confirm. Finish by trimming any excess lace and shaping the style to your face. Take small cuts and check frequently. Once styled, set a routine. Brush gently, store on a stand, and avoid heat above 180 degrees C on synthetic fibers or use low heat on human hair. If you notice lifting at the edges, don't panic. Reseat the cap and reapply tape or a thin bead of adhesive to small spots. If irritation occurs, remove immediately and treat the skin. Make sure to reassess fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.